Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're on Prerna's Universe, and this is another episode of toughest coding block ever. So I have another worksheet to solve for Python, and yeah, I'm going to be working on that. I have a couple of questions that I'll be solving in this video, and as you already know, if you're watching this series, then I will not be going into the concept. I'll be just solving the questions, and hopefully you like the solutions, and if you have any better solutions you can comment them down. But yeah, for now I'll stick to the solutions that come to my mind, and they'll be just straightforward because I'm just learning Python. So yeah, I'll stick to those. Plus yeah, let's get back to the worksheet, guys. I have been troubling with my mouse, and it just ran out of its battery just before I started recording this video. So yeah, might be a little bit slow in navigation part. Bear with me. Well, I don't know why I keep running into these electronic related problems. I don't know, but yeah, just hang in there. I'll fix it as soon as possible. But yeah, I think yeah, that's what we have. So getting back to the question part, the first one is we already know with the concept of factorial, and if you are from the IT background, you know how important such coding questions and the algorithm related to that is. And yeah, I have this question in my worksheet as well, so let's try to solve it. Okay, so we already know that factorial is basically product of the number that are in the decreasing order. So if you with the number, those are in the decreasing order until you reach 1, right? So if I am like finding out the factorial for 5, then I'll be multiplying 5 into 4 and 3 into 2 into 1. So that's what you see is what they're trying to tell me. So that's how the factorial comes out. So for factorial of 5, it will be giving us 5 into 4 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60, 60 into 2 is 120. So that should be the factorial, the answer that when I calculate it. Yeah, so and similar is the case for other numbers as well, factorial of 6, factorial of 10. That's how it's going to be. We'll not get into the mathematical concept, but yeah, that's what factorial means, right? Getting to the question, I have recently learned the concept of functions. Let's try that. So that's how you basically define a function in Python. So let's create a factorial function and try to give it like this n. Okay, and let me just first create a range, right? How about that? Included, because I am planning on creating a loop which will loop back to the number where so it will be a forward loop, right? For now it will be a forward loop. I will try to learn the concept of backward looping, like in the decreasing order. I'm not very sure with the iteration that happens when you use the for loop in Python yet. So I will learn that concept and get back to you on that. I think that's an additional topic, right? So yeah, that's one point. Now for range, as you already know, the first argument that you give is included, and the second argument that you give is basically not included. So we have to give a number greater than 5 if I want to find the factorial of 5. So that is 6, because the loop is going to go until 5. In the basically the range will give you 1 to 5 numbers. If you mention 1 and 6, well, that's a concept part. So if my words are not clear, please go Google it. So yeah, okay, so here what I keep on missing is putting these colon, semicolon, and comma. Well, yeah, that. So okay, I think that's it. Now I need let's do it. Yeah. I think I need to call a function because it did not give me factorial and well. Come on, giving me. I think the function calling is important. No? Oh, okay. Missing one. Factorial missing one. 5. Let's try that. Yeah. I don't know. For some reason, this didn't work. Please comment that down why it didn't. We have 1, so we need I to be multiplied to 2. Result. Is equal to. Let's not do this. It here. I will put it. Result. Because result, I need to store it, right? So if I am multiplying with 1 into 2, then the answer 2 should be stored and be updated result, right? So basically the product that I'll be calculating for the first 2 numbers will be stored in result. So I need that. I'll do result into I and to return space bar salt. Yeah, it worked. Okay, yeah, basically what I did is that I initialize. Let's check this if this is not needed. No, see, unbound local error, something. Okay, so okay. Okay, if I remove this, put it in this print, I think it'll keep looping, and we don't want that. We want a single answer, and that will not happen. So I'm just trying to do a few things and just no. I think that's it. Yes. So basically, you are supposed to like initialize result is equal to 1, right? And basically it will serve as a starting point for the loop where the products are going to get stored, right? So that storing will start from 1, right? Because this is a forward looping. So that's one thing. And when the in the initial, when I is equal to 0, let me just show it how this is happening. Let me just see if this happens. So we want result. Let's result. Just do that because this is going to clear out the concept more than what I'm talking. I don't think I'm very good with the explaining part. So I think just printing out the whole algorithm will be a better way to do it. So, and this is what we are doing. So okay, yeah. Let me just make it cleaner. Sorry. Yep. Yeah. So basically, you see, result is 1 and the loop is 1, right? And we are basically, my space border is just too problematic sometimes. Sometimes it's like a good boy, but sometimes it's not. Yeah, so that's what it is. Now the result we have is 1. The initially it has been initialized to 1, and then the i's value is 1. Now result into will give us 1. When that is done, the result, what, the printing part is happening incorrectly. For some reason it's giving me result is equal to 2, which is not the case. you know uh, what it's storing is 1 in this case, but it's somehow, I think, updating and then giving it, uh, so something weird is happening here. So what, printing part is not the correct thing, so we should stick, let's just check this out for 6, and let me just do something. Okay, yeah, let's do it for 6. Oh, sorry, 7. So it will give me the result 720. It's correct, but you see result into I, it's giving something weird. I don't know why it's giving this result is equal to 2. Maybe I'm calculating it wrong or something, but yeah, somehow what I need is not getting printed as I want it to be. But yeah, I'm not sure, guys, why that is happening. I think here it should be 1 only, according to me, because I want it to be in its initial state. Maybe I should do this above before it gets calculated. Yeah, see, that's what happens when you're not a pro with the algorithms, that I'm not. So so that's what I was doing the right thing, and I wasn't getting the print properly. So yeah, as you see, I wanted it 1 and I to be 2, and result is 1 into 2 and 2, right? So that's what we want. That's what the answer should be, right? So yeah, let's move it back to the question itself, and I will decrease the range to that, and voila, it's working as we want it to be. Now that's one question. Let's move on to the next question, which says create a function squared which takes x and y as arguments and return x into x. Okay, so it says that 2 to the power 3. Okay, that's what it meant. I don't know why I just zoned out. So, okay, we got our answer, right? It says that I need to create a function named squared, and it will take 2 arguments, x and y, that will return I wonder if x or star of y is going to work for us as we want it to be. Print. The camera is not focused. Okay. Yeah. Now print. Sorry. How was I printed? Okay. Squared. Okay, 2, 3. Come on. Yes. Yeah, it gives. Okay, that was a pretty straightforward question. Yeah, it worked. So let's check for 6 and 7. A pretty lenient question, I must say. I solved the question, which is a relief, I must say. So yeah, those are the 2 questions that I solved today. Hope you liked the video, and I'll come again with more questions. I have them, but I will, save them for another video. And yeah, happy coding. And please like, share, and subscribe, guys. I really need. I haven't been getting much views. I don't know why, but I will try to stay consistent and keep working on my Python skills and keep learning. And hopefully, like someday, my videos. And yeah, happy coding. Bye bye. Stay safe.